Morning students. In this video we are going to study about subtopic of the vectors, that is representation of vectors. Now previously you have learned about scalar and vector quantities. So vector quantities are those physical quantities which have both magnitude as well as direction. So to represent a vector we need both magnitude as well as direction. So if I have an unlimited length, here we have an unlimited length, and if we have to represent vectors we need both magnitude and direction. So if we have a PQ, that means if I represent vector PQ, I have to put a arrow, that is ray, you can say ray, usually ray PQ. So this is a representation of vector, where you can also write it as small p with an arrow, So this is, if you have to represent vector in capital letters, then you will write PQ, or if you have to write, you can represent it in also in small alphabet P, then you have to write only one alphabet, but for the capital you have to write two alphabets. So P to Q, what is P? P is the initial point, and what is Q? Q is final, or you can say terminal point. So that means we are representing the vector PQ, its direction is from P to Q, and if this is a P point and this is a Q point, so this PQ is a distance from P to Q. The distance from P to Q is nothing but the magnitude, and if we have to represent, it goes from P to Q. So this is the direction. So that means PQ vector have both magnitude as well as direction. Direction is from P to Q. Okay. Now we have three terms here. Number first is magnitude. You can say also length. Length का मतलब है कि डिस्टेंस, जो P से लेकर Q तक डिस्टेंस है, ये इसकी लेंथ है, इसको हम मैग्नीट्यूड कहते हैं. तो डिस्टेंस, there is a length from P to Q या between P to Q. Second thing come into mind is sense. Sense means direction. So डायरेक्शन इसका है, डायरेक्शन जैसे हम लिख रहे हैं, डायरेक्शन यहाँ से हम P to Q, तो PQ का मतलब हम P से लेकर Q तक जा रहे हैं, ये है इसका डायरेक्शन P to Q, इनिशियल पॉइंट से लेकर टर्मिनल पॉइंट तक. सो अगर हम Q to P लिखेंगे, सो दैट मीन्स वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम Q to P. हम Q to P से जा रहे हैं. अगर हमारे पास कोई लाइन है, सेगमेंट या लाइन है, तो हम यहाँ इसको चूज कर रहे हैं Q to P, तो Q से लेकर P तक जा रहे हैं. या अगर इस साइड P है, इस साइड Q है, तो डायरेक्शन इस साइड आएगी. दैट मीन्स Q to P. Q is here initial point, P is here terminal or final point. So this represents the direction. Third जो term हमारे पास है, that is not very important, but that is support. Support क्या होता है? Support is, that means out of which the vector is taken from. So इस unlimited line से हमने जो vector निकाला है, that is the support. So therefore representation of vector आप क्या कर सकते हैं? If you write capital letters, then you have to take two alphabets with an arrow. इसके ऊपर arrow लगाना है, arrow शो करना है, ray, that is a ray हम कह सकते हैं. या अगर आप small alphabet लेते हैं तो एक alphabet लेंगे और उसके ऊपर आप रे शो करेंगे. दिस इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स. तो एक चीज मैं यहाँ पर बताना भूल गए आपको, मैग्नीट्यूड को जब रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, सो मैग्नीट्यूड का मतलब होता है, जब मैग्नीट्यूड हम बात करेंगे तो मैग्नीट्यूड कैसे हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे इसको, मॉडुलस, हमने p वेक्टर लिया है, वेक्टर p का मॉडुलस, तो मॉडुलस हमेशा वो बराबर p की, दैट इज नेवर नेगेटिव, सो आपका वेक्टर p मैग्नीट्यूड जो आएगा इसका मॉडुलस में दिखाते हैं हम मैग्नीट्यूड, वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा। सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ p दैट इज लेंथ, आप इस तरह से दिखा सकते हैं, दैट इज ऑल p, and sense means direction and support means from which the vector is taken out.